We would all love to keep a clean and tidy home at all times, but we also know that that can be a really challenging thing to keep up with, especially if kids and or pets are involved. We all have busy schedules, both professionally and personally, and many times we put the household tidying and organization to the side, and then it builds up to a point where we have to schedule an entire day to get the house back in order. And that really isn't sustainable in the long run. Fortunately, with some simple tips and small changes to your routine, you can be well on your way to keeping a consistently tidy home. Hello. If you are new here, my name is Jacqueline Poole with Mod Assistants. We are household management and business admin experts, and on this channel, we take the years of experience from our team of personal and virtual assistants to help you within your personal and professional lives. We don't love to throw around the phrase life hack, but today, these 12 things we are going to talk about to keep a tidy home, we really do believe are life hacks. They are small changes that you can make throughout your entire day to keep your home in an organized state at all times. First things first, never leave a room empty-handed. This one is pretty simple. Every time you are walking out of a room in your home, take a quick look around and notice if there's anything there that is out of place. If there is a shirt on the ground, pick it up and put it where it goes. If there is a glass on the nightstand, grab it and put it into the dishwasher. Does that toy belong there? Probably not. Pick it up as you're leaving the room and put it where it is supposed to go. Once you get into this habit, you will notice a drastic improvement in the tidiness of your home. The microwave rule. We happen to really love this one because setting a time limit to any kind of tidying or cleaning or organizing really helps to motivate you because you know there is a limit. You know there is an end in sight. So for the microwave rule, while your microwave is running, while you are warming up some food for yourself or for the kids, do something else. Don't stand there and watch the clock tick down. Be cleaning, be organizing, putting the dishes away, wiping down the counter, setting the table. Anything around you that needs to be done, take advantage of that 1 or 2 minutes and do it. Similar to the microwave rule, the dishwasher rule has you doing something passively productive while you are unloading or loading the dishwasher. Of course, the act of loading or unloading the dishwasher needs your attention, but you could be getting something else done while you are working on that task. It's all about that multitasking. Our favorite time of day to use the dishwasher rule is first thing in the morning. While your coffee is brewing, get yourself moving and unload the dishwasher from the night before. Another option is to steam clean your microwave while you're unloading the dishwasher. We love to use a really easy, cheap, and non-toxic way to clean our microwave. We'll leave that information in the description box below should you like to try. Just think, how can you be passively productive in the kitchen while you are tackling the dishwasher? Timed cleaning sessions. We mentioned this a little bit when we talked about the microwave rule, but a way to get yourself motivated to do some cleaning or tidying around your home is to set yourself a timer. This way, in your mind, you know there is a specific end point, so it'll keep you motivated throughout. We really suggest starting with just a few minutes. Start with a 10-minute cleaning session. Get your phone out, set a 10-minute timer, and just clean or tidy whatever is around you. You don't have to have a set plan on what you want to have done, and it doesn't have to be sparkling clean. But you can get so much done in those 10 minutes if you just set your mind to it. Do one thing every day. Yes, it is true that you might have one day throughout your week when you're going to be doing more, when there will be more laundry to do or more tidying up that needs to be done for possibly the week ahead. We completely understand that. And of course, that goes with your schedule. And many times these long tidying sessions happen on the weekend. But to keep those longer sessions to a minimum, Do one small thing every day. As you're getting started with this, write down a list of all of the things that need to be done throughout the week in your home. As you get into the routine of doing one thing every day, you're not going to need this list. It's just going to be part of your routine. It's going to become a habit. But to get started, it's really nice to have a list and actually check off everything throughout the week. We have a checklist that you can use in your home if you need a place to start. It's a free PDF download that can just get you on the right path and give you some inspiration for what needs to be done. Make your bed every morning. This one always makes me laugh because I can specifically remember telling my mom as a middle schooler or high schooler, what is the point of making my bed? I'm just going to be getting back in it later today. And that is true, but at the same time, there is such a noticeable difference in how productive you feel if you get up and first thing make your bed. It's so simple, everyone suggests it, but it really does make a difference. Don't go to bed with a dirty sink. Is there anything more frustrating than getting up in the morning, maybe you're a little bit groggy, you wander downstairs to make your coffee, and there is a sink full of dirty and possibly smelly dishes? There's just nothing worse. Don't put yourself in that position. Make it a habit to always have a clean sink before you go to bed. If you have a dishwasher, it's very easy. You don't have to worry about washing the dishes yourself. Load everything into the dishwasher and run it overnight so you wake up to a clean kitchen. Put your clothes away. Raise your hand if you have a chair, a bench, a corner of your bedroom that is the catch-all for all of your clothes, whether dirty or clean. Yes, we all do it. Let's just admit it now. But let's also start getting into the habit of putting our clothes where they go. If they are dirty, obviously they go into the hamper. But even more important, if they are clean, don't let them sit in that laundry basket for days on. Put them away, put them where they go. This is something we hear from our clients so often. So often I talk to a client and they say, I'm really great at getting the laundry done, but when it comes to putting things back in my closet or in my drawers, that's where it stops. Things end up staying in the laundry basket for the entire week. And that is fine. But of course, in this video, we're trying to work towards a tidier home. So set that habit up for yourself now of putting your clothes where they go as soon as they come off your body. Don't leave your clothes in the laundry machine. This is another one that we all do and we can all admit to it. Sometimes you're busy, you forget, or you choose to ignore that you put clothes in the laundry machine and they need to be moved into the dryer. But we all know what happens if those clothes stay in there for too long. Then you're dealing with mildew smells and you have to rewash anyway. Something that you can do, again, coming back to our timer, set yourself a timer on your phone so you know exactly when that laundry cycle is up. It's all about making that habit of doing it right away, doing those small things, and it'll keep you tidier throughout the week. While we're talking about laundry, do one load of laundry per day. Again, a lot of times people will save up all of their laundry to be done all on one day, all on Saturday, all on Sunday when you have that extra time in your schedule. And if that works for you, absolutely stick with it. But what we see work even better is one load of laundry per day. That way it does not get overwhelming. You just have to get through one load into the washer, into the dryer, folded, and back in the drawers. Just one load. It keeps it from feeling like an overwhelming chore. Of course, if you work with one of our personal assistants, you can leave all of your laundry for them to do. But if you do not, try to stick to one load per day. It will help you keep up with that so you don't find yourself doing 6 loads of laundry on a Sunday when you could be out enjoying time with your family. Keep your surfaces clear. One of the biggest contributors of clutter is a messy and crowded surface. And this often happens in the bathroom or the kitchen. Yes, there are absolute necessities to have on your countertops for whatever reason, but try to stick to just those items along with some intentional decorations if you'd like, but try not to clutter up your counter spaces. A cluttered space equals a cluttered mind, and it also just gets to be more difficult to keep clean and tidy the more stuff there is to clean. Give everything in your house a home. In short, this means every item in your home should have a designated place where it belongs. This is another very classic suggestion when it comes to keeping a tidy home, and for good reason. Not only is it keeping the clutter and disorganization to a minimum, but then you also know where items are the next time you need them. This can be a lot to handle when you are first getting started with organization, so think back to some of our earlier tips and take it one step at a time. If your home is disorganized right now, you could work with a professional to develop that organization, develop places for all of your items, and possibly declutter items you don't need. Or if you'd like to tackle the organization yourself, take it one step at a time, one room at a time, declutter things that are not needed, and find a home for all of your items you'd like to keep. When it comes to maintaining a tidy home, consistency is key. But like we've mentioned so many times in this video, take it one step at a time, one day at a time, and hopefully all of these tips will help you to keep a more organized and tidy home. If there are any tips that you use in your home that have really helped, be sure to leave them in the comments below so we can all try and incorporate that tip into our daily lives as well. Before you leave, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more content in the future. Thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.